The meningeal layers. The meningeal layers are the layers which covers the brain and spinal cord. So these are three in numbers. The outer layer is dura mater, that is strong and connective tissue. The organoid matter is a middle layer. It is a spider and multiple connective tissue. Then pia mater, innermost, that is soft, mother-like. It is highly vascular. The dura mater is the outer layer. It is strong and tough in nature. It has two layers. Outer is endosteal and inner is meningeal layers. The endosteal layer is close related with the cranial bones. Then meningeal layer is close related with the brain. The both layers are adherent to each other except at the dural venous sinuses. The inner layer is reduplicated to form the dural folds. At the foramina magnum, the meningeal layer of dura mater is continuous with the spinal dura mater that branches of the middle meningeal artery and accompanying the veins ascends on the external surface of the endosteal layer in the extradural space. So the spinal dura mater as a single layer, it is the continuations of the meningeal layer from the foramina magnum, and at the lower border of the second sacral vertebra it ends. It forms as a loose tubular covering to the spinal cord. The space between the dura mater and the wall of the vertebral canal is called as extradural space. The epidural space filled with the loose areolar tissue, fat, and internal vertebral venous plexus. The nerves entering and leaving the spinal cord passes through the epidural space. Then the organoid matter, it is a delicate, transparent avascular membrane that is situated between the dura mater and pia mater. It covers the entire brain and provides tubular space to the cranial nerves. So it is close related to the dura mater and loosely related with the pia mater. The space between the organoid and pia mater is known as suborganoid space. The CSF lies in this space. The organoid matter special features is presence of a organoid villi or a small finger-like projections into the dural venous sinuses. They absorbs the CSF with advantage that advancing age villi enlarges in size and form organoid granulations. So, in the spinal cord, the cerebral organoid continues downward to envelop the spinal cord and ends by merging with the dura mater at the level of the second sacral vertebra. Then the pia mater, it is the innermost layer. It is closely related with the brain and spinal cord. It is very delicate vascular membrane which carries the small capillaries to the surface of the brain and spinal cord. It closely follows the surface of the brain and dips into the small fissures and continues downward, covers the spinal cord and extends beyond the end of the spinal cord known as spilum terminale. So this is the three layers of the meningeal portion, that is the part of layers of